Higher education costs are rising faster than inflation, but most parents still don't know how much they should actually invest for their child's future. Investors often ask me, Prakash, our children are 4, 7, 11 years old. We know higher education will need significant funds in the future, but how much SIP should we start now and what return should we realistically expect based on their age? Welcome to the channel Market Insights by Prakash. I am a NISM Certified Research Analyst. This is an educational content only. Kindly consult your financial advisor before investing. A few days ago, we made a video about the Minor Demat Account and why every parent should consider opening one for their child. Today, we are taking the next step. We have created a calculation based approach to help you plan this properly. In this video, we will understand what your SIP amount should be and how can you plan withdrawals using an SWP after building the corpus, all with the help of a simple Excel sheet designed to make your calculations easy. SIP planning. Let's first understand the SIP calculations. In this Excel sheet, we have assumed a normal 4-month duration to open a minor demat account, an expected 12% annual growth rate, a 10% yearly step up in SIP investment, and SIP contributions continuing until the child turns 18. Now, how do you use this sheet? You only need to enter three details: your child's birth date, today's date, and a sample SIP amount, let's say 1000 rupees. Once you enter these, the sheet automatically calculates the expected corpus. Now comes the important question. What if you already have a target corpus in mind? You simply do a reverse calculation by adjusting the SIP amount. Let's take an example. If your child's birth date is 22nd July 2025 and your target is a 1 crore corpus by the 18th birthday, keeping all assumptions unchanged, let's adjust the SIP. If we enter rupees 5000, the corpus comes around 61 lakh. So clearly we are still far from the target. Now let's increase it to 8000 rupees. You can see we are getting closer. Let's increase it slightly more, 8500 rupees. And here we can see the corpus crosses our target amount. So this is how you can easily adjust your SIP based on your financial goals. Systematic Withdrawal Plan. Now let's move to the next sheet, the Systematic Withdrawal Plan or SWP. Assume that your child by 18th birthday have a corpus of around 1 crore or more. This fund now supports higher education. In our example, we have assumed 6 years of further education. If you withdraw 1 lakh per month, while the remaining amount continues to grow at 12% per annum, here's what happens. Over 6 years, you withdraw approximately 72 lakh rupees. And even after completing education, you still have a balance of more than 1 crore invested. If you want this Excel sheet, simply share your email address in the comments or DM us on our Instagram page or Telegram page with your email ID. Also tell us what topic would you like to cover in our next video. Thank you for watching Market Insights by Prakash. Do like, share and subscribe for more educational content.